everybody and Assalamualaikum. My name is Dania Yara Inaya. I'm in grade 3. My school's name is BAF Shahin College, Dhaka. Today I'm in Liakat. So today I'll be talking about my experience about Liakat. So yeah, in my opinion, Liakat is not only an institute but also my experience about learning English. It is my inspiration and yeah, truly I learned my first English lesson from Liakat. And yeah, I was so afraid about English when I admitted to Liakat. I was just thinking that how fun this English can be. And yes, I should say in Liakat, the teachers were so good and they solved our all problems. I've gone to many institutes, but I think Liakat is the best of all. Actually admitted in Liakat in 2020, and that time there was COVID-19. That's why I can't come in Liakat. But today I'm in Liakat and I meet all my teachers and my friends and have an amazing experience. So today I share my amazing experience about Liakat to you. And yes, at last I should say, I wish Liakat to go far and further away and have a great journey. So yes, thank you everybody.